Mr. Mr. Speaker, Mr. Speaker, I stand to second, but seconding Mr. Speaker, as you said, or as you directed in the House Business, we discussed in the House Business Committee that there is a lot of business before us. But Mr. Speaker, Kenyans must know that members of parliament are working. There are no other people in this country who sit up to midnight to do work other than members of parliament, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, many times members of parliament are bashed outside there that, oh, they earn for nothing, they earn a lot of allowances, they earn this and that. These are the only people, Mr. Speaker, who sit up to midnight to do the business for this country, Mr. Speaker. And when we are sitting up to midnight, there is no allowance. We are doing it for free, Mr. Speaker, because we want to serve our country. So, Mr. Speaker, I want to beseech members to stay. There is a lot of food, I'm told, at the cafeteria. You can eat. You can drink a lot of water. And then those who have other business after house, they can suspend it for today until another day so that we can conclude these financial businesses of the country properly, Mr. Speaker, so that Kenyans can have money in their pockets, if at all it will be. But myself, I doubt. But thank you very much, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you.